Laura, here is the best method that I have found for giving your students access to these lessons after you've run them or before, truthfully, at any point through Google Classroom. So the first thing the students need to do is have an account in ClassFlow. So either they can create it using their Home or Pride account, or if you want to, you can actually go under Classes and hit New, and you can import all of your Google Classrooms into ClassFlow so that they're already in there and don't have to create an account and log in to your class. So that's probably the easiest method if you don't have them in ClassFlow yet. If you already do, then you can ignore that. Once you have them in ClassFlow, take the lesson that you want by clicking on it under your Resources tab. Right here is a button that says Share. By default, it's going to be set up as not shared. What you want to do is click on Privately, and then they'll pop up a link down here at the bottom. Now this is going to be different than the link when you're presenting. So you want to copy this link, and then in your Google Classroom, you can paste the link and give it to all of your students. When the students go to the Google Classroom, what they'll see is, I'm just going to go into an incognito tab, so I'm not signed in. I'm actually signed in as a student. And I'm going to hit paste and go. So this will be like they're clicking it from the Google Classroom link. So they'll have this here. All they have to do is say copy to my resources. It's been added. And then under their resources, they now have that untitled lesson. I mean, obviously you're going to name it appropriately. Then they can open it up. And they can either go to edit the lesson to see what it is. And then they've got it, and they should have the option to deliver at some point as well. Maybe students don't have the option to deliver, I'm sorry, but they can then see everything that's in your lesson, and I don't have anything in this one. But that's the basic way to give them access to your ClassFlow lessons.